First you need to click your photo in front of light. Now let's start the video. Open your picsart app. Now add your background pic. Click on the plus icon to add your background photo. Select it from the gallery. Okay. Here it is selected. Ads will come, close it. Now open your draw tool. It's okay. Now add your card photo. Select from your gallery. Okay. Resize it according to the background. Use transform to resize easily like this. Okay. Make an empty layer like this. Now select your brush tool and made its hardness 0 and use this setting like opacity 47 and size according to you. Okay, set. Now use this brush tool to make the shadow below the hand like this. Same process in other hand also. We use the opacity setting in order to add proper shadow effect. Now select your eraser tool and make its hardness 0 and opacity up to like this. You can see in the video. And now set. Okay. Now erase the unwanted part of the shadows. Now it's all done. Okay, save your image. Now you will see the real magic in Lightroom. So let's open the Lightroom app. Let's go. First you need to import your image to the Lightroom app. So go to the gallery and go to the picsart folder, add your image, and then go to the share and add to Lightroom. Okay, yeah, image starting to import it. Now just open the Lightroom app. Here is it. Okay, I will give this preset in the description, so download and copy paste it in your image. Okay, now paste here. It's all done. Okay, and that's all. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and like. I will upload more videos like this. Thank you.